In recent years, the Galaxy S Plus phones have often played a more subdued role in Samsung's lineup. Typically, these devices have primarily offered a larger screen and a bigger battery compared to the standard Galaxy S models. However, with the eagerly anticipated Galaxy S24 Plus on the horizon, it appears that this trend is about to change. Samsung is gearing up to deliver some noteworthy improvements. The scoop on these changes was initially shared by Exynos, and there are even more exciting details emerging. The Galaxy S24 Plus is set to feature a substantial display upgrade. It's making the leap to a 2K display with an impressive 144 Hz refresh rate, an improvement from its predecessor's 120 Hz. Notably, this QHD Plus screen will utilize Samsung Display's top-of-the-line M13 panel, ensuring an exceptional visual experience. Plus, the device is going for a slim profile, measuring just 7.7mm, and it boasts a significant 12 GB of RAM. For those who have been following the Galaxy S series, you'd know that it has been stuck at 8 GB of RAM in most markets since 2019. The bump to 12 GB is a refreshing upgrade and is sure to enhance the phone's performance. Despite these notable enhancements, it's essential to acknowledge that the Galaxy S24 Plus may still face fierce competition from Chinese competitors, offering ultra-level features within the same price range. Nevertheless, it's undoubtedly a step up from its predecessors. As for battery life and thermal performance, the device is expected to pack a 5000 MHz battery. However, we'll have to wait official confirmation from Samsung on this matter. Most regions are anticipated to see the Galaxy S24 Plus powered by the Exynos 2400 chip, while, in comparison, the Galaxy S23 Plus is equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 in all markets. The Snapdragon chip has been praised for its ability to run cooler and deliver exceptional endurance. What are your thoughts on the upcoming Galaxy S24 Plus? Are you excited about these upgrades? We'd love to hear your opinions, so please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Also consider subscribing for the latest updates. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.